Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. This is kind of the day we've all been waiting for. This is, I'm fixing to go present this check to Mr. Barnes, and I'm super nervous about it. I don't know why, but I am. But I look forward to it. It's going to feel good. And I want all you guys to feel good about it too, because without you guys, this would not have happened. You guys went above and beyond and really blessed me, and you're going to bless them as well. This is just such a great experience, and I'm very, very thankful for it. I haven't really, he knows I'm coming, but he doesn't know what's going on. I don't know if he's going to want to be on camera. I don't know anything. So I'm definitely not going to push it, but I want you guys to know where your money went. So I got to, so we'll see. But I'm hopping in the Tahoe. Gonna head down there now, and we'll see. Hey guys, well, I finally made it over here to Colton, and gave him your guys' generous donations. He's blown away, and well, I thank you guys so much again for what you did. I know some of you guys gave sacrificially. Some of you guys are on fixed incomes, and you came together and you was able to bless him with $2,500. So we're greatly appreciative. And he just shared with me, your wife just sent off a $18,000 payment
just today.
So that's some of the stuff that they're going through financially, big payments. So he said he's greatly appreciative for what you guys send in, and so am I. You guys are the best subscribers in all of America. So
thank you very much, and we greatly appreciate all your kindness and your prayers, and if we could ask anything, it's just continued prayers for healing, and we just pray that you could bless someone else too, and keep it going, and we'll continue to do the same. So thank you very much.
All right guys, thank you guys once again. We'll catch you guys later on in this video, but like you said, keep praying. Ryder's getting better, but he could always use more prayers, so keep them coming. Thank you guys. Hey guys, just made it back to the house, and burr, this cold front came in like quick. North wind's blowing, I don't know, 10 plus miles an hour now, and it's kind of chilly. But not gonna bore y'all with what I'm doing. We're gonna go out here and check the animals, but I gotta take these feed buckets to the neighbors, fill some up for Eeyore, check on him, see how fat he's getting, because we are ready to get him to the butcher. But we're gonna go in here and check on the animals. Make sure I don't have any more dead chickens. Gather some eggs, see if I got any turkey eggs. I'm hoping I do. Got a whole bunch of chicken eggs in there, but I'm not seeing any turkey eggs. Yeah, but I'm looking around because those hens will just still lay anywhere, on the ground anywhere, so I don't see any. What? What do you want, ladies? I don't know what you want. What? Okay, yeah, what else? Okay, yeah. Yeah? Is that right? Chicken-letta! Hey! They're gone. Anyways. Oh, there's some of these eggs here. Uh-oh. Oh, check that out. Picked up 5 in one. Oh, what's up? Some of you guys were commenting on one of our reels we had on Facebook with the turkey, asking if these chickens were okay. Because they're always making noise. And to answer your question, I don't know. All right, MJ. Ah, my finger's stuck. Ow! Ow! Look at that! I can't get it out! Oh! Ah! There we go. My goodness! That's tougher to do with one hand than what you think. Ain't it, Thorsky? Ain't it, Thorsky? Ain't it, buddy? Ain't it, buddy? Yeah. I'll get you ladies some food here in a minute. Let me go put these eggs down. You got feed still. What are you worrying about, huh? You still got feed, you turds. They're over here like they're out of feed. Both them dills are still full of feed. Crazy ladies. Thor's still got feed. Everybody's got feed still. Except for Eeyore. I'm gonna take these eggs in and come back and fill up these buckets. Give you guys a shot of Huddy. Just me and him today. My mom came over and so I could come out here and do these chores real quick. Lindy has parent-teacher conference, so she's over there. Holly and Hunter is at my mother-in-law's, so that's it. Huddy, you can't eat with that in your mouth, silly goose.
Look at my leg, that's just one time grabbing.
Oh, what's all over your face? Oh, what is on your face? Grandma making messes. What is that? Good num-a-nums? What is that? Oh yeah? Num-a-num-a-num. I'm not letting you touch this because your hands are probably got sweet potato, maybe carrots.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes all over him. Num-a-num-a-num-a-nums. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at all that.
Yeah.
So Grandma, you're wasting it. Alright, I'm gonna go get them buckets.
Where you was?
Bye. I went to get eggs. Make sure that our animals are fed.
Yeah, you done seen this, you're gonna drag it out.
No, I'll hurry. I will hurry. Okay? Hurry, hurry. Yeah. Alright, buddy, see you in a minute. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye to everyone? Honey, say bye-bye. Come on, I know you can do it. You do it all the time. He says, give me bites. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go.
There we go.
Good boy.
Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.
Good boy.
There, dude. Bye-byes. Well, that's probably all you guys will see us today. We'll try to get a little bit of footage tomorrow, see how much snow we get, all that jazz, and go from there. So once again, before I get off tonight, I'd like to thank everyone who donated to the Barnes Fund. You guys are awesome. He was super stoked, super just humble and blessed, and Colton's just a really good dude, and he was just, I know, almost speechless. So thank you guys so much for everything you did. It was awesome. Awesome. All right, guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, hey guys, as promised, it is the next day. We're catching up with you. The kiddos are back home, and we got a surprise for you. But first, we have got to get this old rabbit hutch ready to put something in it. But I'll give you a hint.
And it's not a rabbit. That's the hint. It's not a rabbit.
Okay, that was a pretty solid hint, so I'm sure all you guys got it. There's that.
What's going on the roof?
What's up, Hud? What up, buddy?
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
What's up, buddy?
Do they know about the kitty?
What's him doing?
Do they know about the kitty?
What's
Nope.
him doing?
Tell them what you have for breakfast.
So I had eggs and hash browns and
Waffles.
and a little bit of biscuit and gravy.
You shared your biscuit gravy? I didn't see that.
Gravy.
He wants the camera.
Yeah.
Ooh.
All right, we're gonna get the snow cleaned off this hutch, get it cleaned out a little bit, put some fresh shavings down, fill up this stuff, and then we'll show you guys releasing our new animals. You guys excited?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Chicken feed for the other chickens, and you guys know we've lost a few, and they had 50% off sale on some that were getting bigger, starting to fly around, all that jazz. So here we are. This is what we'll take that out. We'll leave that feeder in there, clean it out. Take that little rabbit feeder out, and then
Put some new shavings
put
down.
new shavings down. Put a heat lamp in there, and
Clean
it'll
out
be
all
good
the
to go.
poop out of there.
Yeah.
Luckily, it's going to be warm all week, so that'll
Yep.
be good.
It's supposed to warm up to 40s,
This was our last
mid-40s today,
It's cold
and
today.
then 70s all next week. We're
Yay.
excited, ain't we?
Perfect for the homesteading expo.
Perfect. Hey, you gonna be there?
Yeah, and I want to know if you're going to be there. So, if you're going to be there, let us know so we can look for you.
Yeah. Say, be there or be square.
Let us know.
Be there or be square.
All right, I'm gonna get a little shovel, and we're gonna get to work. Yeah, this right here, this big dent right here. When we had quail in here, some of you guys may not have been around there. Then I had to put this up because owls was landing down here and reaching through there when we had quail
our quails.
and popping their heads off. We'd come in here and quail would just be laying
Headless
there headless. And show them that post right over there, in between the trees, Lindy.
Oh, right there.
Keep going to the left.
Oh, that
Right
one.
there. That
Yes.
one.
That's where they would sit. Yeah.
I see
We
the
have
owls.
owls out here like crazy.
I would see an owl fly over there and sit, so I'm like, I got you. So I put this up where they couldn't reach down, because this quail would be right down toward the bottom, so they couldn't reach down in there and grab them. It
If
doesn't
you're
look.
wondering why it looks
It doesn't look the best, but
it
it
helped.
worked.
It saved our quails' lives.
All right,
It did.
watch out, kiddos.
Can't tell now, but yesterday we had, how many inches do you think we got? 2 or 3 inches
No.
of snow yesterday?
No.
And it's already mostly melted.
Don't. Ow, that hurts.
Thanks, Snowball.
Hunter's turn. No.
I
Wait.
got it on her.
Oh,
Oh, right in the rumpus.
We had you last time.
a rumpus.
Right in the rumpus.
What's a rumpus?
I know.
Yeah, this thing's been abandoned for almost 2 years now, probably. It's been 2 years since we have had rabbits.
It's been a while, yeah.
Ah! Right in the face.
What
Quit.
inside of it?
Ah.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Quit.
Oh, I didn't know you did that.
You did it? I did. I did.
You didn't know about that?
Nope.
Oh, I did.
Nasty.
There's also another doors over by it.
Oh, not kitty.
Know what this can fit in? What we're gonna have to take this to?
The garden?
Garden! Who said, did Sissy say that?
Yeah.
Before Mama?
I was getting there. I just didn't get it out fast enough.
that
That thing where we have food.
I'm gonna put this in with that heat lamp so that we can get all these shavings warmed up before we put them in there, since it's cold today.
Oh my god.
Is that enough?
A little bit over.
I want to get it spread out all the way around. It'll be
A
good.
little bit over? Ow! You see that?
Yeah, they did that to me. Oh.
They're still in there. 2 more. 1 more.
There you go.
Oh, no, don't, no. Ow! No, I know you're hungry. Look, right here. Look. Yeah, look. Look, there's some food right there.
Walk on it.
Alright, now these ones are going to go crazy, I'm sure.
Oh, watch your doorway. Do you need me to come over there?
10 chickens.
Oh, they were calm.
These little ones aren't.
They blend in. They're hard to see.
They found the food.
Yeah, these big ones are already getting feathers.
That's the one that was sticking its nose out. Which one? That one that's closer by the feed. It looks like a duck.
Look at those ones down there. They're really... Oh, that one found the feed. What, bud?
They're so cute. I don't remember which one I held. That one that's just standing there right there is my favorite.
Alright guys, well there you have it. We got some new chicks on the homestead. Pretty excited. Can't wait to start getting some eggs from them. As you guys notice, a few of ours have died, so we're getting short on eggs, and this is the time of year where we really like to get a big bulk of eggs. We eat a lot of eggs in the summertime, probably because more people are home from school and stuff like that. But anyways, now's the time to get the eggs. So we got on today's video. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morgan Homestead, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks again so much for your donations to the Barnes family. Greatly appreciated once again. Till next time, God bless.